Manushree Goswami. I am doing PhD from IIT Kharagpur, West Bengal. Recently, I took participation in molecular docking online workshop conducted by BDG LifeSciences, and this was my third time encounter with BDG, and my experience is really amazing. I have learned a lot in this workshop, and all thanks goes to Sharbari ma'am. She was very much helpful, and she helped each and every participants as much as she could. So I would suggest everyone, if you are interested in this field, you can kindly go through the links they have provided in their website. And I would like to thank BDG Life Science for giving me such opportunity, and thank you.
Hello, this is Dr. Marjan Asefi. I have a PhD in nanobiology, and I have applied and registered for the molecular docking certificate for 6 days, and it was really good. Like, it was really awesome. So I suggest it for everyone, and thank you so much for the great program. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Hi, my name is Shoaib Ansari and I am from Jamia Millia Islamia. I'm a PhD student in Department of Bioscience, and recently I have attended CRISPR workshop at BDG LifeScience. And first of all, I want to say thanks to Dr. Monica for explaining the CRISPR technique beautifully. So in first day we did the some theoretical. We did learn the theoretical aspect of the CRISPR, and in the upcoming 4 days we did see different scenario of the CRISPR. Means how can we design the sgRNA, and how can we design the primer, or how can we order these Cas9 and other thing. And these workshop are very helpful for my future work. And I was not aware about many aspects of the CRISPR, and Dr. Monica basically beautifully explained CRISPR technique to us during these days. So I wanna say thanks to BDG Life Science for conducting these workshop, and I want to attend more workshop in the future in at BDG Life Science. So thank you, Dr. Monica, and thank you, BDG Life Science.
Hello everyone, I attended a 6-day workshop on molecular docking, and I would like to say that I'm not in bioinformatics, but I'm very much keen on learning new things, and I really enjoyed the molecular docking workshop with our instructor Dr. Shavani. She was extremely good and very patient, and she really she made extra efforts to rectify our problems. And I'm looking forward to attend more such workshops and it really helps. It gives us satisfaction that we have learned something new, and I'm looking forward to attend more such workshops with biodiscovery. Thank you very much.
Hi, this is Prachi Sharma, and I want to thank BDG's Life Sciences for conducting a wonderful and informative session on molecular docking. And I found it very eye-opening, and I enjoyed the session. I enjoyed the way Ms. Shavari has taught us, and she has tremendous patience to be with us and guide us at every step. Thank you so much, and God bless.